So you know what max does, but what if for some reason you want a max that will only work if A and B has the same type? Because max here will only replace 1 to A and 9.5 to B. So if we expand it, it's gonna be this, right? So how do we make a type safe max? So we already have the same type here. It's gonna check if x and y has the same type, so we can just do a static assert, right? Well, I guess let's try. Define max b, and then static assert that is same type a comma b, different types used, and then we will do our actual max. Okay, so let's use that. It's a syntax error, and well, the assertion fails because it's 9.5 and 1, so 9.5 is like a float or something. But if we have this, it's another syntax error because static assert expects a semicolon. So static assert is not actually an expression, it is a statement, just like for, while, and other things. So what was this type of? Oh my gosh, it doesn't know type of. Oh, I think it's just it's just Clang. But if we compile this, the executable is actually there because the GCC. But can we actually use it? So let's use it in an if, right? And we can't actually use that. And the reason is these are two expressions separated with a semicolon, which will evaluate to the right expression, the max here, because static assert is a semicolon. So how do we fix it? Well, I don't think there is a way to fix that in standard C, but if you're using GNU or have this GNU extension, you can do it has a feature I guess, that is a statement expression or expression statement, and if we do that, it actually doesn't complain here. And what that does is it is able to take multiple expressions. Oh, I guess I forgot this, but I don't know why it didn't complain. But it's able to take multiple statements, and you can even use a for loop here, but it will still evaluate the last expression. So it's just like a function that is able to return a value, whereas without it, in a group of expressions, you can only, or you cannot use any statement. It's just a group of expressions, right? So you can't do a loop or a while or and other things, static assert, but in a statement expression or expression statement, whatever, you can do that. So it's a more reasonable way of creating function like macros, because without it, you pretty much can only use ternaries and logical operators and nothing else really, right?